Hello guys, I'm Rob and welcome back for another video on the Nesson restoration. This time I will be showing you how I replace and fix some of the track links and show you some of the problems we have. In the next video more on the solution of the track problems. First I have to release the tension of the track, but unfortunately I forgot to film it. On this picture you can see the tensioner. After unscrewing the two nuts you can push the lever to unlock the tensioner to release all tension.
Ja, eigenlijk nog te weinig ook nog. Ik had er maar 2 en ik moet er eigenlijk 3 vervangen.
Then I have to cut off all lock pins so I can remove the track pins. At this time I can replace the broken links and then in reverse order put it all together. At the end of this video you can see me replace some track links at the fan day. The line you can see here looks like a crack, but is a defect of the casting mold. This track link has quite a lot of inclusions, which you can recognize by the black spots. The center guides like to break off very easily. This is probably due to a weak design, but more on that in the next video. Here you can see an older repair which is holding up just fine. First repairs, so we have some spares which we already used by now. Before welding I need to grind out all cracks and clean the surrounding. Two links will get replacement center guides from badly damaged tracks. The welding surfaces will be chamfered in order to make room for the weld. The welding was done off camera at a friend's shop. Because this is not standard steel, I needed to preheat the tracks before welding. Then weld them with stainless steel wire due to the tension a track needs to withstand. Then some more heating to dissipate the stress tension from welding, and as last slowly cooling down. Finally some cleaning up and then ready to use. Here we are replacing some broken links at the fan day at Overloon War Museum. Still waiting for some footage of the replacing we did at the first fan day, filmed by a fan. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future videos.